Have you ever wished you could save money without feeling like you're sacrificing everything? What if I told you that saving money with a low income is not only possible but can also be enjoyable? Get ready, because in today's video, we're going to reveal some life-changing tips that will have you saving money like a pro, even on a tight budget. But first, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on our amazing content. Tip 1. Track your spending. Alright, our first tip to save money with a low income is to track your spending. You might be thinking, hey, I already know where my money is going. But trust me, tracking your expenses in detail can reveal some surprising insights. Start by recording every single purchase you make for a month. You can use a simple spreadsheet, an app, or even a notebook. At the end of the month, categorize your expenses and see where your money is going. This will help you identify areas where you can cut back and prioritize your spending. Once you have a clear picture of your spending habits, analyze them to see if there are any patterns or unnecessary expenses. For example, do you find yourself buying coffee every day, or maybe you're spending too much on eating out? By spotting these trends, you can create a plan to reduce or eliminate those expenses and focus on saving money. Tip 2. Create a realistic budget. Now that you have a clear picture of your spending habits, it's time to create a realistic budget. The key here is to be honest with yourself. Don't set goals that are too ambitious and will leave you feeling frustrated. Instead, allocate a specific amount for each category based on your previous month's spending. Remember to include an amount for savings, even if it's a small amount. With time, you'll get better at sticking to your budget, and you'll see your savings grow. To make your budget more effective, try using the 50-30-20 rule. This means allocating 50% of your income for essential expenses, such as rent and groceries, 30% for non-essential expenses like entertainment and dining out, and 20% for savings and debt repayments. By following this rule, you can create a balanced budget that works for your specific financial situation. Tip 3. Eliminate or reduce debt. One of the biggest obstacles to saving money is debt. High-interest debt, in particular, can eat away at your income, making it difficult to save. To tackle this, focus on paying off high-interest debts first, such as credit card balances. Once you've cleared those, start chipping away at lower-interest loans. Reducing your debt will free up more of your income, allowing you to save more effectively. Consider using the debt avalanche or debt snowball method to help you stay focused and motivated. The debt avalanche method involves paying off debts with the highest interest rates first, while the debt snowball method targets the smallest debts first. Choose the method that works best for you and stick with it. As you pay off each debt, you'll build momentum and feel more in control of your financial situation. Tip 4. Save on groceries. Groceries can be a significant expense, but there are ways to save without compromising on quality. First, make a meal plan and shopping list before you head to the store. This will help you avoid impulse purchases and ensure you only buy what you need. Also, try shopping at discount supermarkets, buying in bulk, and choosing generic brands. You can even grow your own herbs and vegetables to save even more. By being smart with your grocery shopping, you can save hundreds of dollars each year. Another effective strategy is to learn how to cook from scratch. This can not only save you money, but also improve your health by allowing you to control the ingredients you consume. Look for budget-friendly recipes online, and don't be afraid to get creative with substitutions to make the most of what's in your pantry. Tip 5. Reduce utility bills. Another area where you can save money is on your utility bills. Simple changes like turning off lights when not in use, unplugging electronics, and sealing drafts around windows and doors can make a big difference. Additionally, consider investing in energy-efficient appliances and LED light bulbs, which will save you money in the long run. And don't forget to check with your utility providers for any discounts or incentives they may offer. You can also save on water bills by installing low-flow shower heads and faucets, fixing leaky pipes, and using a broom instead of a hose to clean your driveway. By being conscious of your resource usage, you'll not only save money but also help the environment. Tip 6. Use public transportation. Cars are convenient, but they can also be a money pit. If you're looking to save money with a low income, consider using public transportation instead. Buses, trains, and subways are often more affordable than owning and maintaining a car. Plus, you'll avoid the stress of traffic and parking. If public transportation isn't an option, try carpooling with coworkers or friends to save on gas and maintenance costs. Another alternative is to embrace active transportation, such as walking or biking. Not only will you save money on transportation costs, but you'll also improve your health and fitness. Tip 7. Embrace DIY and repair. Did you know that by learning some basic DIY skills, you can save a lot of money on everyday expenses? Instead of calling a professional for every little repair, try learning how to fix things yourself. There are plenty of YouTube tutorials and online resources to help you. Not only will you save money, but you'll also gain a sense of accomplishment and independence. In addition to home repairs, consider learning other DIY skills, such as sewing to mend clothing, basic car maintenance, or even hair cutting. By acquiring these skills, you'll not only save money on services, but also develop valuable life skills that can benefit you in the long run. Tip 8. Find free entertainment. Entertainment can be pricey, but it doesn't have to be. There are countless free or low-cost activities you can enjoy. For instance, visit your local library, attend free community events, or explore nature trails and parks. You can also host a potluck with friends, organize game nights, or have a movie night at home. Get creative, and you'll find that there are plenty of ways to have fun without breaking the bank. By embracing free and low-cost entertainment options, you'll not only save money, but also discover new interests and develop stronger connections with your community and loved ones. Tip 9. Shop secondhand. Buying secondhand is an excellent way to save money on clothing, furniture, and electronics. Thrift stores, garage sales, and online marketplaces are treasure troves of gently used items at a fraction of the cost. Plus, shopping secondhand is not only good for your wallet, but also for the environment. Don't be afraid to haggle when shopping secondhand, especially at garage sales and flea markets. Negotiating can help you get even better deals, and it's often expected in these settings. By embracing the world of secondhand shopping, you'll save money and give new life to pre-loved items. Tip 10. Increase your income. Finally, while cutting expenses is crucial, don't forget to explore ways to increase your income. Look for side gigs, freelance work, or even a part-time job. You can also invest in your education or learn new skills to advance in your career. By increasing your income, you'll have more money to put towards your savings goals. Don't underestimate the power of passive income either. Explore options like dividend stocks, peer-to-peer lending, or real estate investments to generate income with minimal effort. As your income increases, so will your ability to save and achieve financial stability. So, there you have it. With these powerful tips, you're now ready to save money like never before. But we want to hear from you. Which of these tips will you try first? Do you have any other money-saving secrets to share? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget, sharing is caring, so share this video